right, in this video, we are going to go over a different Chrome extension tool. This one is called ASIN Grabber. All right, we're basically grabbing ASINs. ASIN is the kind of like the ID number that every single Amazon listing has. And so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be grabbing over 100 of them. Let me show you exactly how to use ASIN Grabber. And I'm going to show you guys a feature that most people don't even realize that we've got in ASIN Grabber. So here I am on the search result page for Coffin Shelf. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the Chrome extension, and I'm going to hit ASIN Grabber, all right, which is the name of the tool that we are about to go into. Take a look here. It is showing me 117. So the difference is right off the bat, just one click, it is going all the way out to page 2 and sometimes beyond page 2 for the search results. Remember on XRAY, it's only showing me by default page 1. I don't have as much detailed information here as XRAY. It's giving me kind of like high level information, you know, the title, the ASIN, the brand, price, BSR, ratings, and the review count. Average BSR, average price, and average reviews. If I click any of these, I can just go ahead and copy different ASINs that are on here. And the main feature of this, though, like you might be wondering, how in the world do I use this? I highly recommend doing this for seasonal products. Like, what happens, I'm going to go ahead and turn my camera back on so I can kind of explain this right here. All right, so like what happens, guys, if you have a product, like a Christmas product, let's just say, all right? Now, let's say that you are in May or June. If your Christmas product was Christmas stockings and you typed in that keyword, are the products that show up for Christmas stockings? As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and do that right now. All right. You know, we are not anywhere near December when I'm recording this video. Let's type in Christmas stocking kit. All right. I don't even know what this is. All right. Here's the thing, guys. These products here are not the top sellers during Christmas. I would venture to say that most Christmas stocking kits are not even in stock. All right, they're not even in stock right now. So what happens is I cannot do product research for Christmas stockings right now because this is not a good indication of what is the top Christmas products. Now, let's say this was in December and this was what was showing up. Well, what would I want to do? These are then the top products for Christmas stockings, and it's going to be too late. If I'm just looking at this in December, I can't like get a Christmas stocking kit and then sell it right away. There's not enough time, right? So I would have to wait until the next year. But what I would do is I would run ASIN Grabber on this page, and I would go ahead and download all of these ASINs so I can look back at it maybe come next year around June, July, when I'm ready to prepare for my Christmas products. And I'm going to have a list of all of what the top performers were for this keyword Christmas stocking, whatever the heck this is, your Christmas stocking kit. All right. I'm going to download this Excel file, and I'm going to have all of that information so that I can go back and do my product research even when it's off of the season. Because again, if I was looking at this in June or July, this is not the right products. All right. These are not the top performers. All right. How does it look when you download it? Let me just go ahead and download this one right here. Once it loads up, there's 117, wow, 117 products that it had. I'm going to hit this download button, and it instantly goes to a CSV file here at the bottom of my screen. Let me go ahead and open this up in Excel. And here it is right here. It is showing me all of the list of these products. All right. And I'm going to save this. And then again, I'll just put this away for a few months and then come back. Now, here is another cool feature. All right. Let's just say we are in Christmas time, and this is the entire list of 2 pages. Well, you guys know what product targeting campaigns are in PPC? That's where you want your listing to show up. All right. Let me just show you really quick how that looks. All right. Let me go back here to this page. Let me just go on this listing right here. Now, down here at the bottom, there is a section called sponsored products related to this item. So these are sponsored placements. So if I have a Christmas, whatever this is, a stocking kit, and I wanted to show up right down here on my competitors' listings. Well, maybe I want to show up for everybody that is in the first couple of pages of Christmas stocking kit. Well, instead of having to go into each one right here and copy one by one these ASINs, I have that Excel file that I downloaded, and I can just copy all of these at once and drop it right into a product targeting campaign for PPC. And within 10 seconds, go ahead and have a campaign ready to go without having to copy and paste each one. All right, so really, really helpful if you are doing product targeting. One more feature that is cool. Let me go back here. I'm actually on a product page right here, right? And I showed you how down below here, there's sponsored products. There's frequently bought together, right? If I want to just get a snapshot of what's going on here, I'm going to hit ASIN Grabber, right? I want to see the sponsored products and the frequently bought together. I'm going to hit open. And now this is actually showing me the products that were showing up in frequently bought together, and it's showing me the products that were showing up in sponsor. You see the SP? These are all of the sponsored ones. So I'm going to see what are the top products that were showing up in sponsor results, and I can save this information and then maybe use it for my own targeting campaigns, or just I want to start tracking which products are showing up on this page. I could just go ahead and save this information each day and then go back and take a look at it. So that's one of the newer features of ASIN Grabber, is it now works on product pages themselves. So guys, ASIN Grabber is a great tool that's going to help you with your seasonal research, your holiday product research, as well as PPC product targeting campaigns. We'll see you guys in the next video.